Hey y'all, hair problems no edges coming back to y'all with another video. I am not doing anything with hair, but since today is Sunday, before y'all come for me, we about to make a wine beverage with using fruits and berries and some ice. Hold on, let me get my pop. The pop I'm gonna be using is gonna be some squirt right here, 2 liter. And let's get started. So I have my ice here. We're gonna go in and just take a scoop of ice, because this is gonna be a summertime wine beverage, and just put some ice in your glass. Next, I want to top it off with some berries. I'm using the strawberries, blueberries, pitted dark sweet cherries, and some pitted tart cherries. So I'm just gonna take just like a half a scoop of that. Look at these cherries, y'all. I mean, look at these strawberries, y'all. They are so big. They're beautiful. Y'all can cut them if y'all want to. I'm gonna leave mine whole and just put them right in the glass. I'm taking some of these mangoes, pineapples, and papaya, and some coconut. So we got some mangoes, papaya, pineapples, and some coconut right there. And I'm gonna drop that in there as well. My drink of choice is gonna be the Sutter Homes Pink Moscato. What y'all know about that? And before y'all come for me, because it is a Sunday, don't forget that it was first biblically recorded in the Bible that Jesus turned water into wine at a wedding. So there you go. It's only a sin if you drink it in excess to get drunk. So try not to do that. But we about to go outside and enjoy this beautiful summer Sunday. So we're going to make us a refreshing drink. So we have our wine in there. I filled the glass about halfway with the wine and the fruit and ice. And we're just going to top it off with some of this squirt. This is my sister's favorite drink, squirt. So we're going to use this to top off the wine. And this is how it's going to be for our Sunday, y'all. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment and subscribe. If y'all want to see a close-up of the videos, this is the Great Value brand berries and cherries and blueberries in here with the strawberries. And then we're going in with the Great Value tropical blend with the pineapples, mangoes, papayas, and coconuts. And then I just topped it off with the ice and then hit it with some of the Sutter Homes Pink Moscato. And then I just topped it off with my sister's favorite drink, which is the squirt. So gonna go ahead and give it just a little stir with my straw. And let's take a sip. Y'all, very refreshing. Very refreshing. Take a look at this. Coconut, pineapple, papaya, strawberry, and blueberries. Let me know what y'all think. Drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video for more DIYs. Y'all come back to this channel. Hair problems and no edges. Not doing hair today, but we doing beverages on Sundays. Let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all again in my next video. Bye, y'all.